Mysore, officially named Mysuru, is situated in the southern region of Karnataka state. The city has its cultural and historical importance and is famous for its Dashara festival, palace, park, paintings, and has brands such as Mysore Peta, Mysore Park, Mysore Silk, etc. Mysore district is bounded by Kodagu district to the west, Chamrajanagar district to the southeast, Mandya district to the northeast, Hassan district to the north, and Kerala state to the south. Mysore city is a part of the Smart City mission of the Government of India, and it will be connected to Bengaluru by high-speed train network in near future. There are around 2,500 factories in the district. Among these, highest number of factories are of ready-made garments, followed by engineering factories. The district has the presence of businesses in various sectors like agri-horticulture and food processing, tourism, hospitality and wellness, pharmaceuticals and medical equipments, textiles, handicrafts and handlooms, petrochemicals, power, information technology. Major exportable items from the districts are pharmaceuticals, textiles, software services, and food products. Being both investor-friendly and environment-friendly, Mysore has one of the highest per capita income ratios in the state, with a well-developed social and virtual connectivity. Major ongoing projects such as Bengaluru-Mysore Road Corridor, Nilambar-Nanjangud Railway Line, Thalassery-Mysuru Railway Line connecting Kerala and Karnataka state will provide improved transport facility to all areas in the district. So how does the city have the potential for new business? Well, here are some of the strengths and weaknesses of Mysore. Strengths: high economic growth, facilitating infrastructure, strong presence of IT, textile and pharmaceutical industries, availability of human resource. Weakness: high urban population, limited coverage of utility infrastructure such as water supply and sewerage. Opportunities: great potential in clean tech, emerging agro-processing businesses and tourism. Potential to emerge as most preferred economy or industrial destination. Challenges: economic recovery after COVID pandemic, increasing competition from neighbor cities and states. Untapped business opportunities in Mysore. Exports analysis. As per our experts, Mysore has huge potential in clean tech, edutech, and agri-tech businesses. The city provides perfect environment for businesses and has government schemes and policies that are supporting the investors and entrepreneurs to set up and start a business in several domains. Major ongoing projects in terms of road, rail, and air connectivity will amplify the export activities from the city. Improving healthcare facilities, education system, internet penetration, government support, industrial developments, rising number of informed buyers, etc. will boost the developments in the city as well as create business opportunities in the city. Also, the economic package of Rs 3,187 crores of Karnataka state government for pandemic recovery will uplift the economy in short period of time. So if you want to know more about business opportunities in Mysore, get this report now. MROAR, Market Research and Opportunity Analysis Report. This report will help you understand top 20 most feasible, potential and profitable business ideas across the domain for region. All these mentioned ideas are based on the research done by our experts. These experts have analyzed the region on various bases like demography, climate, resources availability, infrastructure, culture and market. We have done this research for more than 100 plus cities till now. So if you want to know most feasible, profitable business idea for your city, then inquire with us. If you like this video, do like, share, comment. Also, if you have not watched our earlier videos, then please visit our channel and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Stay tuned to know about most interesting facts and potential business ideas for another city. Thank you.